Okay. I think hi. Welcome to
Not yet.
It is. We're on.
We're live.
Yeah.
Oh, we're live.
Why so late?
Surprise.
Like I've got the relay on behind me. Yeah, hello everyone. Oh, it always feels really sad when it gets to the closing ceremony. To help if I was in the right chat. It always feels sad when we get to the closing ceremony because then we know it's ending. Yeah, I hope everyone's had a lovely day. So this is going to be the end of the stream, but the tweet along will be after this with the lovely Rascal and with lovely pony episode, Heartswarming. Just from season 2, I think. So that'll be fun to watch later. I hope everyone's had a fun time. I hope everyone's enjoyed it. First of all, I just want to say a massive thank you to our lovely vendors. Thank you for just having so much amazing stuff on sale and giving us the con shopping experience online. That really means a lot. It's been really great, and I can't wait to actually browse the shops properly, which I might do in a little bit after the stream's finished. The vendors will be open until tomorrow at 8 p.m. So remember to get browsing and get buying. I want to thank you to our lovely panelists that have joined in, and our lovely musicians who's helped give us really good content for the stream. It's been really, really lovely. Huge thank you to our mods as well for looking after the Discord server whilst the staff members have been on the other side looking after the stream. A huge thank you to Laura Kay for providing the continuity. It really means, and there's been so much positive feedback about the continuity voiceovers. So just thank you so much, and thank you for lending your talent to us. We really do appreciate it. And then I also want to thank the attendees. So without you guys, we couldn't do it. We can't put on a really good event. So thank you, and thank you for being great. Thank you for participating in like so many different events. It means so much. Like, audience participation is great. Like, it has been a crazy year. Like, I think we can all agree it's been a crazy year, but it makes you feel so close to people, being able to just chill out and have a fun little bit of social in these times where there isn't that much certainty sometimes. So yeah, just a giant thank you to everyone involved. And like, if you're here, if you're on our Discord server, like, no matter how much you've contributed or how little, there's nothing too little that doesn't help. Like, honestly, we really appreciate that. It shows that you still want us here, and we're really happy to be here. Few other quick things. UK PonyCon merch shop, and that will be open until Wednesday. So if you want any orders, including HQG1C, Britannia, lanyards, so much, that'll be shutting on Wednesday. So if you want to buy anything there, pop in, do an order. We're quite quick to post them. But your Redbubble is open all year round, and we've got some winter warmer t-shirts. I think there's a chicken milk one already. I've got a bread one, which I'm excited for coming in the post. So Redbubble's all year round, because that's Redbubble isn't a service that we have on. Oh, there you go. Another thing I want to say is that provisionally we've also raised £237.82 for the Riding for the Disabled Association, which is absolutely amazing. So just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's donated, and I hope people have got lovely things from the charity auction. There's been so many awesome things from there. Redbubble. Sorry, I just saw Brentford and that made me laugh. But yeah, it just feels a bit weird closing it. Like, even though it's an online event, like, I don't know about you guys, but I have got like the con lag. You know, like I'm very tired. But it's so worth it to see people being really happy and enjoying themselves. I hope everyone's had a really lovely time. We'll be putting a feedback survey out like we do with all our events, so we can see how we can continue to learn and improve and develop on ourselves. Yes, Rascal. Yeah, you can dull the ache of the end by joining the tweet along, which is really fun. It's one of the few times I use Twitter, maybe, if I don't fall asleep. So yeah, it's been a really, really lovely day, and I hope everyone's enjoyed themselves. And we've raised a good sum of money for charity as well. What else is there? Does anyone else want to say anything?
I've got something. I want to thank you, the entire committee of UK PonyCon, because that's also very important, and you, Bexy, for the presentation. So a small applause for me and for you, everyone there.
Thanks, Jake.
Yep.
Anyone else got anything?
Just say thank you. You've been, thank you to Jez, thank you to Maz for keeping the stream up and running. Everything's all been as smooth as silk, as wonderful as as usual. Just thank you to yourself, Bex, for being there and just just keeping everybody together.
No, you are not allowed to cry.
I'm not crying.
You can't get emotional this time.
I'm not crying. Not yet. But
Yeah,
I'm not crying, you're crying.
just thank you. I mean, no, Sarah, no. I don't. I'm going to be a little bit serious, but I don't think people know that I actually have lived on my own for 6 years. This year in particular has been particularly hard because obviously I can't go out. I don't have a car, so I can't travel. I've had to pretty much self-isolate since March, so even going to work has not happened. Yet these conventions, these online events just keep me going. They just keep my mind, keep going. And this is exactly what we all needed. And it was such a wonderful idea. And, you're crying. But, yeah, they are. They're just, even if it's just helped just like one person, which is just myself, it's just been so much like having that community in my living room, which it's been incredible. It's really kept people like me going, where you can't have that extra support and you don't, I know it's there if it was doable, but sometimes especially during lockdown, it was not there. So I just want to say thank you from everybody who's like myself in that position. Thank you so much. This has been wonderful. And
agreed.
Yeah.
I'm not crying.
You're all amazing.
I'm just sweating through my eyes.
Yeah, it's liquid pride. It's liquid pride.
Exactly.
Yeah, liquid pride.
Yeah. You okay, Bexy?
Oh.
Bexy.
We set each other off. We're terrible, but we are.
You're such sweet people. Seriously, this is the nicest committee ever. Of all cons I've been to, it's very special committee. You're all so sweet and nice, and it makes my heart glow.
Yeah.
It's something I'd just like to mention is thank you to the musicians. We've got Paul Capricorn, Achieve Hunter 1, and we've also got Bolt the Super Pony as well. I know we're not a huge audience for you tonight. I think you were all involved in Ponyfest last night with many more people, but I know that the people who were watching it were definitely rocking out to it. I was as well. So
I was trying to continue the gifts, make sure that it's still going. Keeping it alive.
Thank you.
We'll never stop. It's just awesome.
But yeah, it's been fun. I enjoyed that.
Yeah, thank you. And I want to just in return say thank you guys so much for having me, and I had a great time performing. And honestly, I don't really care how many people are watching, as long as those who are watching enjoy what I do. So this is my first convention outside of North America, performing to perform at, I should say, and I had a lot of fun. So thank you guys for having me.
All
Thank
right.
you. Everyone's been great.
Well done to all of you. I mean, I could tell you all this from personal perspective. I have been performing since the BronyCon, like I mentioned during the event and all that stuff, and I've been very, very excited to perform for a convention out of country for as long as I could remember. So I'm happy to join you all and all that stuff, and I'm very grateful y'all got me in. So I thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
So.
It has. It's just been incredible. It really has. And what a community! Just what a community. I mean, look at the chat. Everybody's,
It's just so full of love. Full of love and light.
It's so warm. It's just,
You guys, if I do Japan stuff, I got everything here. Yeah.
Wow. That's bright.
Oh yeah, glow stick pen lights that I bought from Japan. They're called they're called Lumica.
Nice.
Yeah, I got them off of Amazon or eBay. That's how I got them.
They're absolutely awesome. I love them.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry for just like sneaking on as well. It's very sneaky and
Delicious
of me.
Everyone in chat was like, Laura!
Because you're in the farm, you now need to say something to make us all laugh as Pinkie Pie to cheer us all up.
No. Oh, the pressure, man. Oh no, but I'm sad too. You misunderstand. Oh.
We're all depending on you, Laura.
I know.
Yes. We all love you.
Come on now. Steer on up, you sillies. My name is Pinkie Pie.
Hello. I am here to say.
How you doing?
I'm gonna make you smile, and I will brighten up your day.
I've got a terrible singing voice.
No, license Londa. Stop.
Hey, the con never ends if closing ceremonies just keeps going.
Yeah.
Don't. Have to tweet along in like 25 minutes. I'll just like collapse in a ball on the floor and cry. You have to let me leave at some point.
We don't have a venue security getting ready to kick us out.
Yeah, there's no hotel to kick us out.
We have to leave by 6.
Have I missed anything, Waz? Or
I
Jez?
can't think of anything. Rescal, do you want to just remind everyone how to take part in the tweet along? I know we've talked about it's happening, but maybe what people need to do.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. So I run the tweet along, or you can call it a watch along. You don't actually have to use Twitter. We are watching Hearth's Warming Eve. I keep saying Hearth's Warming, but it's Hearth's Warming, but I can't say that very well, so bear with me. It's season 2, episode 11, and basically the idea is that 10 o'clock tonight, so 25 minutes, we all click play on the same episode at the same time, so that we kind of just watch it together but virtually. And the ways you can take part is you can tweet at us for our conline Twitter, like, just tweet out gifs, tweet out screenshots, be like, lol, this pony did this, and we will be doing a lot of that from our Twitter as well. Tag us on Instagram and we'll share it to our stories, or you can just discuss it in the Discord in like the Opalescence chat or any of the text-based chats as well. That's usually where it's actually the most active. But yeah, it's kind of like a nice end after the closing ceremonies. It's not an official event, it's not streamed or anything, but we're still kind of together still. So yeah, that's what it is. So come along if you fancy watching that. It's on Netflix and Amazon Prime if you were wondering where you can watch it. I double checked before this, so
Cool.
Brilliant.
Awesome.
And also, like, the Discord's still staying around. It's been around well. We still hang out here. The voice chat, like, will be open until probably 11 midnight-ish UK time. And then we shut the voice chat. But then Fridays we usually open it up for Friday night social. So, but the text chats will always be open. Well, the
we might skip the Friday in 2 weeks' time. Just
is that Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay. And then
just in case
like
anyone.
New Year's Day. And then it's a New Year's
but
Day
what
as
about
well.
a heartwarming Friday
then New Year's
social?
Day.
Fun.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe we'll do it if people want to do it. If we're all still locked at home and can't go places.
Wow.
That'd be so great.
The stitches come out of my Britannia, so sometimes she can like get them.
No.
Oh.
Get me to stitch it up at work.
So yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Thank you for everyone for being amazing. Stay safe, and I can't wait until I'm able to see all of you in person, happy and healthy, and can hug people. Like,
sad.
Yeah.
Okay, insert applause here.
Yay.
thank you all.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.